Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will continue to learn how to speak everyday Filipino. Our lesson is about greetings in Filipino. Greetings, mga pagbati. Let us have a quick side lesson on this. Greeting, the singular form, is pagbati. Greetings, the plural form, is mga pagbati. You see, in Filipino, instead of adding an S to the end of a word to make it plural or many, we add mga before the word. Now let us learn one of the most common ways that we greet the people that we meet. We usually say, "Good morning," and that is magandang umaga. In Filipino, magandang umaga actually means beautiful morning. That is how Filipinos greet each other in the morning. Now, what about greetings at different times of day? Let us look at the words for the other times of the day. Morning is umaga. Noon is tanghali. Afternoon is hapon. Evening is gabi. Day is araw. Again, morning is umaga. Noon, tanghali. Afternoon, hapon. Evening, gabi. Day, araw. So here are the greetings for the whole day. Good morning, magandang umaga. Good noon, magandang tanghali. Good afternoon, magandang hapon. Good evening, magandang gabi. Good day, magandang araw. Again, good morning, magandang umaga. Good noon, magandang tanghali. Good afternoon, magandang hapon. Good evening, magandang gabi. Good day, magandang araw. Next, let us learn about the word po. In Philippine culture, we use the word po to say things with respect. If you are talking to the same age group or your peers, you do not really use this word. But if you are a child talking to your parents and elders, or even if you're not a child but you are much younger than the person you are talking to, or you want to be polite to people, you add po to your words. So for example, to say good morning, more respectfully, you say magandang umaga po. So that's beautiful morning with respect. To say greetings more respectfully, you add the word po. Here are the greetings again. Good morning, magandang umaga po. Good noon, magandang tanghali po. Good afternoon, magandang hapon po. Good evening, magandang gabi po. Good day, magandang araw po. Note that the word po is commonly at the end of a sentence. But it will not always be this way. Sometimes it's at the end, sometimes it's in the middle of a sentence. You will see an example of this in later lessons. For now, we will use po in our lessons so that you will get used to speaking Filipino sentences with respect. Here are the other ways that we say our greetings in Filipino. Hi, hello, kumusta po? How are you? Kumusta ka po? How are you? Kumusta po kayo? What's up? What's new? Anong bago po? Filipinos do not really have a specific word for hi, hello. Kumusta is the common way to say hi or hello. But kumusta also actually means how are you. Did you notice the two different ways to say how are you that is shown here? The first one is to ask how someone is, kumusta ka po? The second one is when you are asking more than one person, kumusta po kayo? For example, you are asking both of your parents how they are. Kumusta po kayo? We will talk a little bit more about this. Let us talk about the word that we use for you. You, when talking to a person, is ka. You, when talking to more than one person, to people, is kayo. If someone greets us, of course, we will respond to their greetings. So now, let us learn the responses or mga sagot. Here are the different ways we can respond to Filipino greetings. English version first. Someone says, good morning. You answer, good morning too. Now let's go to the Filipino version. If someone says, magandang umaga, you can answer, magandang umaga din po. The word din means too. Here are other ways to respond to greetings. If someone asks, how are you? You say, good, thanks. How are you too? In Filipino, someone asks, kumusta ka? You answer, mabuti, salamat po. Kumusta ka din po? Let us look at the words we have used that helped us with those greetings. First is the word to, which in Filipino is din. Good is mabuti. Thanks, salamat. Again, to is din. Good, mabuti. Thanks, salamat. I hope you enjoyed this short lesson on greetings, how to greet others in Filipino. As a homework, practice greeting others in Filipino, as well as responding to other people's greetings in Filipino. The more you do it, the more you get better with it. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. And please join me again next time for more of Araw-Araw Filipino. Salamat po. Thank you.